In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a video on Telegram quickly and easily using Telegram Web and then finding the file on your device. This is a super useful tutorial if someone sent you a video in a chat and you want to save it for offline viewing, organize it on your computer, or move it into another folder later. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct Telegram account, especially if you use more than one. After that, go to the chat that contains the video you want to download. This could be a private chat, a group, or a channel, depending on where the video was shared. Now click on the video to open it. When the video opens, don't rush to click anything right away. Wait for the video to fully load first. This is important because if the file hasn't finished loading, the download button may not work properly, or the file may not save correctly. Give it a few seconds, especially if the video is large or your connection is a little slow. Once the video is loaded, look to the top right corner of the video player and click the download button. Telegram will begin saving the video to your computer. Depending on your browser and settings, you may see the file start downloading immediately, or you may be asked where you want to save it. In most cases, it will go straight into your default downloads location. If you're using Telegram Desktop, the video will usually be available in your Downloads folder inside the Telegram Desktop folder. So if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just open your file manager, go to your Downloads area, and then look for the Telegram Desktop folder. Inside there, you should find the video file ready to use. And that's it, you've now downloaded a video from Telegram using Telegram Web and found where it saves on your computer. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.